Hi, for today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a platform event in Salesforce and subscribe to it using Advantco Salesforce Adapter. First thing we need to do is open up our setup in Salesforce and identify our platform event. For this scenario, I'll be using the Opportunity Closed Platform Event. We want to go ahead and click on that event. And as it opens up, we can see right here our API name, which will come in useful for our CPI setup, as well as the custom fields and relationships we have set up for this platform event. Following our setup in the platform event, we would then want to go under our object manager. As I said before, this platform event is located to our opportunity objects. So we want to scroll down to our opportunity and then go down to our triggers. As you can see here, here's where the Apex trigger is located for this platform event. We click on it and we can see the coding for our Apex trigger. This is triggered after an opportunity is either inserted or updated in our Salesforce instance. Following our setup in Salesforce, we then want to open up the Advantco SFDC workbench and go to schema generation. Here is where we'll generate the schema for our platform event opportunity closed. We want to search for our opportunity closed event, and we can see it right here. We want to click on it, click the arrow, and make sure it's in the right-hand box. After it's in the right-hand box, we want to hit generate. As you can see below, the schema is generated, and we're able to also test the schema and download it for our mapping in CPI. After generating our schema in the workbench, we then want to open up the SAP Cloud Platform Integration. Here is where we'll define our iFlow for this scenario. As you can see, we have a sender channel being Salesforce and our receiver channel just a simple file. Now if we go into the configuration of our sender channel, we can see the Salesforce connection. For this scenario, I have it configured to a lookup key that we identified in the workbench. However, we can also define explicitly. Following that, we then want to go to under our channel subscription. Here is where we'll identify how we subscribe to our platform event. As you can see below, we have our channel name, as identified earlier, opportunity closed, and our message format being XML. Following that, we then want to go into our message mapping. Here is where we'll upload the schema that we generated in the workbench and map it to the correct structure. For now, I just have a simple mapping, as you can see. Now we'll go back. And finally, the setup for the file transfer. We just want to scroll up and we input our target as well as the credential name and how we want it to be processed. As you can see, using the Advantco Salesforce Adapter, it's quick and easy to subscribe to platform events in Salesforce to get real-time polling.